basically is botulinum toxin. It's a medication that's been used for many years in medicine, basically, to treat muscle disorders. Along the way, they figured out that it also helps relax fine lines and wrinkles and smooth them out by actually relaxing the muscles in the face that cause those wrinkles. So really, it's not freezing your muscles, it's not paralyzing your muscles. Botox just relaxes those muscles, giving you a very natural appearance and reducing those fine lines and wrinkles. So the treatment for Botox takes about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll do a thorough health history and a little bit of a consultation before we do any sort of injections to ensure we're on the same page with your treatment plan. But the injections themselves are very easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The only thing you can't do after your injections, you can't lay down for 4 hours and you can't exercise. Otherwise, you can go back to your day. It's actually known as the lunchtime treatment because it's so easy. Once you've been injected with Botox, your treatment will last between 3 and 4 months. We do recommend that you come back in between that 3rd and 4th month to make sure that it hasn't completely worn off before you get your next treatment. And the benefit to that is the muscles stay relaxed, therefore the skin actually has a chance to repair and improve. The collagen and elastin can rebuild and your fine lines and wrinkles will actually get better with time. Consistency is key though to have that outcome. When Botox is done right, you'll never have an unnatural appearance. A lot of times if we see that unnatural appearance, it's just someone that has maybe had too much or too high of a dosage. We definitely will create a treatment plan that's specific to you and your needs to create that most natural look that we can. Baby steps always with Botox, we'll start small, add more as we need to. It usually takes about 2 weeks for everything to completely kick in. We'll do a reevaluation at that time, and if we need to, we'll add more. Botox can be used in many areas of the face. There are 3 areas that are considered on label. Those are the crow's feet, your forehead lines, and your frown lines, also known as the glabella. But there are other places we can inject Botox. A lot of people don't know. It can help with a gummy smile. Just a little bit of Botox right around the nose area can help with that. We can actually help with the platysmal bands in the neck that cause our horizontal neck wrinkles. And even the fine lines around the mouth can be injected. Men can actually get Botox as well. We always want to ensure that they stay very masculine looking and handsome. So there are different ways to inject Botox for men than women. So don't worry guys, we won't feminize you. And it is something that a lot of men these days are doing. Everyone has concern before they come in for their first Botox treatment. A lot of people have heard that they get a droopy eye or their eyelids get heavy. It's really based on where the Botox is injected and how we inject it to prevent that. Some people just anatomically have a heavier eyelid to begin with, so we'll take a look at that. There are ways to give you an eyebrow lift with Botox. It's all just how the muscles work. And how we inject the Botox to relax those muscles appropriately to give you that more awake, refreshed look as opposed to a heavy eyebrow or a tired look. At Acacia, our Botox cost is $12 per unit, and for any returning client, it's $11 a unit. And the amount of units you need varies by person, again, based on areas of your concern that you're wanting to improve. But most women get between 25 and 50 units. Most men are between 30 and 60 units, so it's sometimes a little bit more. But again, we will do a thorough, very specialized and customized assessment for you and get you on a treatment plan that works right for you.